So let's go there. Wow, looks so fun. Wow, this is crazy. Wow.
Yeah, for real. So now everyone's leaving, so it's getting creepy. Let's go.
Ah, okay, okay.
여러분, 안녕하세요. 오늘은 오키나와에 왔어요. 오키나와 카데나에 왔어요. We could book a tour for like 100,000 won, but no, I don't want to do that. We're gonna go by ourselves. We're gonna try. So I googled how to do it and I think I remember. So let's go.
Wow.
We're gonna go down and go to the right.
가요. Let's go. 동굴 다 왔어요. 가요.
시기래요, 아니? 시기네요.
알겠어, 알겠어. 와.
Tour guide, 그냥 follow everyone else. 맞죠?
Yeah.
This is crazy. Like,
Yeah.
crazy. But I think, honestly, I think booking a diving tour would be worth it. Because, wow, I did not know it was this great.
Yeah, me too. Actually, I didn't expect like this good.
No, you didn't.
Yeah.
And I've been here before. I think I went the wrong way.
So let's go there. Wow, looks so fun. Wow, this is crazy. Wow.
Yeah, for real. I'm like a creep. I'm just watching them. I'm waiting for my moment to fall.
Can we come here? Wow, really great. 와, 진짜. Little go more, and I can go outside. 와, really great area. What do you think?
피곤하다.
어? 피곤하다?
그리고 다음
This is my best experience I ever tried in snorkeling, I think. This terrain.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, everyone's leaving, so it's getting creepy. Let's go.
Ah, okay, okay. Everyone is gone, but only you and me is here. Hey, we survived!
Yeah.
All tour guides go back, let's follow them. Let's go outside. Such a great experience. So finally, we done this great snorkeling adventure. So almost best snorkeling experience we ever tried. What do you think?
It's crazy, yeah.
Yeah, that creature. The terrain is like the cave, these tropical fish. Wow.
Yeah, so many different kinds of fish.
All fish is really friendly for human.
Yeah, maybe because they probably give them food over there.
Yeah, I think so. And the cave, wow.
Yeah,
That's super cool.
That's crazy. Guess what? We saved like at least $160.
I think we are quite good diver. That's right. We didn't need a tour guide, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, for the best finish to an amazing swimming day, 그게 뭐지? 벌써 알아요. 먹자. 왔어요. 하마 스시 데스. 그래 스시와 혼돈이 오이시 데스. 그래서 가베타이. 물고기 봤어요? 역시 물고기 보고 싶어요. Sorry. 갑시다.
They have even Korean.
Yeah, let's go.
Wow, really cheap.
Yeah.
와, 다 왔어요.
좋네요.
와, what is that? Huge one.
미국 여자 역시 연 먹어요.
Wow, really surprised and consistent.
They have kimchi too.
Ooh, wow.
마지막. 하지만 thankful, 감사해요. 자, 갑시다. This part of Okinawa is swimming. The fish, yeah. All the fish. But another great part is how people are very kind. Their food is great, not too expensive. Yeah, safe. I love it. Now I'm so exhausted. Back to Korea, back to work. 그거 인생이에요. 자, 여러분 다음에 만나요.